Ever wondered if buying crypto with a credit card on Kraken is a smart move or even possible? You're not alone. In the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency, convenience often battles with cost and security. Using a credit card for crypto purchases can seem like an instant solution, but it comes with a unique set of considerations that every aspiring or seasoned crypto investor needs to understand. Kraken, as one of the oldest and most reputable cryptocurrency exchanges, offers a variety of ways to fund your account and acquire digital assets. While bank transfers and other methods are common, the allure of using a credit card for its speed and widespread acceptance is undeniable. But is it always the best option? What are the hidden fees? Are there any security implications? And what about those pesky cash advance charges that credit card companies love to tack on? Today, we're diving deep into the specifics of using a credit card to buy crypto on Kraken. We'll break down the process step by step, uncover the fees involved, discuss the pros and cons, and arm you with the knowledge to make an informed decision about whether this method is right for your crypto journey. So, grab a notepad, settle in, and let's unravel the complexities of credit card crypto purchases on Kraken. Understanding Kraken and credit card payments. First off, let's establish Kraken's stance on credit card payments. Yes, Kraken does support buying crypto with a Visa or MasterCard debit or credit card. This is a significant convenience for many users, particularly those looking for a quick entry into the crypto market. However, it's crucial to understand that this isn't a direct deposit method for your fiat currency into your Kraken account. Instead, when you use your credit card, you're typically using Kraken's Instant Buy feature, which streamlines the purchase process. This distinction is important because it impacts how fees are calculated and how quickly your funds become available for withdrawal. Unlike a bank transfer that might add funds to your account balance, an instant buy with a credit card directly facilitates the purchase of a specific cryptocurrency. The step-by-step guide to buying crypto with a credit card on Kraken. So, you've decided to give it a shot. Here's a general walkthrough of how to buy crypto on Kraken using your credit card. Step 1. Account verification. Before you can even think about using a credit card, you need to have a verified Kraken account. For credit card purchases, your account typically needs to be verified to at least the intermediate level. This involves providing personal information such as your full name, date of birth, address, and often a government-issued ID. This is a standard Know Your Customer (KYC) and anti-money laundering (AML) procedure for regulated exchanges. Step 2. Navigate to the Buy Crypto section. Once logged into your Kraken account, either on the web platform or through the Kraken app, look for the Buy Crypto or Buy, Sell, Convert section. This is usually prominently displayed. Step 3. Select your cryptocurrency and amount. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase from the extensive list available on Kraken. Whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or one of the many altcoins, Kraken offers a wide selection. Then, enter the amount of fiat currency you want to spend or the amount of crypto you want to receive. Step 4. Choose your payment method. This is where you'll select credit/debit card as your payment option. If you haven't added a card before, you'll be prompted to enter your card details, card number, expiry date, CVC, and the name on the card. Ensure the name on the card matches the verified name on your Kraken account. Step 5. Review and confirm. Before finalizing the purchase, Kraken will present you with a summary of your order. This is a critical step where you need to pay close attention to the details. This summary will include the amount of crypto you will receive. This is the net amount after all fees. The total cost in your fiat currency. This is the amount that will be charged to your credit card. The exchange rate, the price at which your fiat is being converted to crypto. The fees involved. This is where things get interesting, and we'll delve deeper into this shortly. Kraken is generally transparent about its fees, so ensure you understand what you're being charged. You might also encounter a 3D Secure, 3DS, verification step from your bank or card issuer for added security. Step 6. Complete the purchase. Once you've reviewed everything and are satisfied, confirm the purchase. The transaction should process almost instantly, and the cryptocurrency will be deposited into your Kraken wallet. The elephant in the room: fees and charges. This is where the convenience of using a credit card often comes at a cost. When buying crypto with a credit card on Kraken, you will typically encounter a few layers of fees. Kraken's Instant Buy fees. Kraken charges a fee for using its Instant Buy service with a credit card. While Kraken's general trading fees are relatively low, the Instant Buy feature is often more expensive. Kraken states that the total transaction fee is displayed on the final confirmation page. This fee can vary based on factors like market volatility, the asset type, and the order size. It's a combination of a displayed fee and a spread which is included in the price. The spread is the difference between the market rate and the rate you receive, ensuring price certainty at the time of order execution. Credit card issuer fees. Cash advance. This is perhaps the most significant and often overlooked cost. Many credit card companies categorize cryptocurrency purchases as cash advances. A cash advance is essentially borrowing cash against your credit limit, and it comes with several downsides. High fees. Cash advance fees are typically a percentage of the transaction amount, often ranging from 3% to 5%, with a minimum flat fee. Higher interest rates. Cash advances usually have a significantly higher annual percentage rate, APR, than standard purchases. No grace period. Unlike regular purchases where you might have a grace period before interest accrues, interest on cash advances often starts accumulating immediately from the transaction date. This means you start paying interest the moment you buy the crypto, even if you pay your credit card bill in full later that month. It's crucial to check with your specific credit card issuer to understand their policy on cryptocurrency purchases. Some banks have explicitly blocked crypto purchases, while others treat them as cash advances. Foreign transaction fees. If applicable, if your credit card currency differs from the fiat currency you're using to buy crypto on Kraken, your bank might impose a foreign transaction fee. Pros of buying crypto with a credit card on Kraken. Instantaneity. This is the biggest advantage. Credit card purchases are typically processed immediately, allowing you to seize opportunities in a volatile market without waiting for bank transfers to clear. Convenience. The process is straightforward and can be completed within a few clicks, especially if your card details are already saved. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.